These are instructions to upload assignments in Blackboard. So I just completed the assignment for capturing a screenshot using the snipping tool, and I saved my snipping tool picture. And now in order to submit it in Blackboard, the link is always the one that turns is bold, has an underline on it, and if you hover over it as a hand pointing, so that's a link. This is where you click to submit this particular assignment. So we're in preview upload assignment for the capture a screenshot. Possible points, that's just the video that came with it, the instructions. Scroll down until you see attach files. Then you'll click browse my computer. They're just saying that you shouldn't have the files open before you submit them, so it should be saved. So go to where you saved the file, and then this is it. I'll select it, and there it is, my attached file. And if I'd like to add a comment here, you could add something in here just to let me know, keep me up to date, and then click submit, and that's automatically submitted in Blackboard. When I receive them and read them, check them, give you a grade, I always give you a comment. And on your end, in my grades, you'll see a little blue balloon. Click that and you'll see a comment from me. Thank you.